Hello guys, so today we're going to play a new escape game, and yeah, welcome to the brand new escape prison op. We were just caught and sentenced to 100 years in Roblox's worst prison ever for trying to rob the bank. That's not fair. We need to escape. Our friend Max will help us along the way. But keep in mind, the prison escape will be like no other. Like no other? Can you escape prison? I don't know. Anyways, remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, we're doing escape. If you haven't seen, we're doing obbies now. So yeah, I'm gonna join. Okay, that was silent. Oh. That was very loud. Grr. Still saying grr. Okay. I've seen people play this, but I forget. Well, something like this. So, very nice. Hello, sir. Hey, let's make our escape. Maybe this toilet will budge if we push it. I didn't even have to do anything. Level 1, underground. Okay. Ew! What is this sewerness? What is it? Oh! Hi! Can't get me. Ooh! Pennywise. Oh. I thought that was actually going to be a dropper for a second. Looks like we dug too deep. Now we're in the mines. Okay. I'm guessing I have to go through this. I'm terrible at parkour. Well, I'm not that bad. I just realized that. Okay. Hello, other prisoner. Checkpoint. We have to escape. Did I just make that? Okay. That was pretty easy so far. Wow, we're struck lava. It's so hot in here. How did we struck lava already? We just fell through a hole and didn't die. I didn't mean to go forward. Excuse me. Okay. This parkour is not too hard. Oh, 4%. Don't know how to do parkour. Okay, we're going up. Oh, level 2, the vents. Okay. This seems like it's gonna be a long obby. Yeah, I suck at checkerboard things like this. Would you like to buy super speed? No. No. Yes, I did. Now what? Oh. That was very strange. Oh no. This looks hard. No. Oh. This is just okay. Oh. Wait, do I have to start off? Oh, wait, I have to walk all the way back here. I did. Yes. Go. Yes, I did it. Oh, no. I hate these. Should I try to? No. I already know. Okay. I can do this. What do I... Oh, I risked that. And I made it. Oh, that was really good. Oh, checkpoint. I'm not too bad at these. Those, to me, I think are easy, but I can't do checkered boards. I'm gonna try it without this. Okay. I just found this game, that's why I wanted to play it. Because it said it was new. But I think I've seen other people do it. It's better like this, I think. No. And then straight, okay. Now this way. If this is the end, then I'm playing a different one. Oh, no it's not. Level 3, out of the cell. Wait, is there 100 levels because there's 100 days of it? I hope not. And I don't think so. Oh, hello, hello, prisoner. Hey, look, this fan is blocking this vent. Maybe there's something we can do to destroy it. This? Press this big red button. Maybe. Yep. I didn't even click on it. I just walked up to it. Whee! Oh, is that another level? No, it's not. Okay. Ow, that hurt. Now, they see me. Oh no. Am I getting stuck again? What other prisoners are there? Why can't I be here? We're gonna need a key card for this door. Find in the... No, is it like a maze thing? At least they give me as much time as I need. Get up. Okay. Oh, it is like a maze. What is that? Okay. Let's go. Oh. I'm guessing that's the wrong way. Okay. Now, let's go back. Here. And then I'm going this way this time. This way this time. Okay. Now this key card. What if I jumped on his face? Because he's mean, he locked me up in prison. Actually, but I did do something wrong. Where do I go? Oh. Is this where I came from? Yeah, it is. Okay. And then this way. And then I go over here. Oh. Okay. Try that again. There we go. Oh, I've seen this part. No, I couldn't see the ceiling. Don't have time. Oh wait, I could have just done it the whole time. Okay, so I made it past that part. Now, oh no, more check. Now that. Okay. There. Head right. I think we should go that way. Okay, this way. Up the stairs. This way. And a checkpoint. Hello, camera. I don't even care if you're there. Do they even check their cameras? Wait, did I just walk through that? Oh. Oh. No! Can they not aim anywhere else? Wait, why am I going down the stairs? I'm supposed to go here, right? Okay. do it again. Can I start here? Yes, I can. Oh wait, I can touch the yellow. I thought I wasn't allowed to touch the yellow. Do I actually have to click it that time? Yes, I do. Wait, did I click the checkpoint? Yes, I did. Alrighty. Oh! That was close. I'm guessing I'm going up here. I don't know where to go. Wait, oh no, this rocket. Trip to the moon. Alrighty, I'm going to the moon. Bye now. Oh no. I might have to make a part 2 to this. Wait, how am I not dying right now? How am I still alive? Yes, I love these, but I'm not that good at them, but I don't care. This one's pretty easy, so I think I can do it. Oh, that was close. Oh, I didn't know where to go. Okay. There. That was close. Also close. And very close that there. There too. Look, the moon base. Let's head inside so we can be teleported back to Earth. Oh, alright. That was a quick trip to the moon. Very fun. Surprised I didn't die without a space helmet on or anything at all. Oh, okay guys, I figured out what I'm supposed to do. I'm not supposed to touch it, and I'm supposed to get to this door, because they all explode me. I checked 2 of them. Now what? Wait, what? How am I supposed to do that? Is this supposed to happen? Or no? Oh. Maybe that's actually what you're supposed to do. How am I supposed to do that? Just teleport me back. Oh. What am I wearing? Oh. Am I going mining? In a, sewer? Acid sewer water. Apparently. That's what it looks like. Wait, I've seen this. I'm very confused, but alrighty. No. So I was supposed to cross that like here to here, so I got it. And yeah. Oh. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to wait for a raft. Come, raft, please. And then I jump onto it. And then I slide down this amazing slide. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna have to make a part 2 to this. But anyways, I hope you liked the video, so remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell to see more of my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye!